Ready to take your snack game to the next level? You got to try this amazing buffalo chicken dip recipe. You can bake it in the oven, smoke it in the Traeger pellet grill, or you could even cook it in the slow cooker for a few hours on low. So what you need to do is start with some cooked chicken. You need 3 cups of cooked chicken. I like smoked chicken. In a large bowl, you're going to mix that with some cream cheese, half a cup of hot sauce, ranch dressing, grated cheddar cheese, and blue cheese crumbles, and a little bit of chopped cilantro. You're going to transfer that to a large baking dish. Bake the buffalo dip at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 45 minutes. You can also smoke it on the Traeger pellet grill for the same amount of time and temperature until the top is nice and bubbly, or you could cook it in the slow cooker for about 4 to 6 hours on low heat, stirring it a few times while cooking. Serve this up with some tortilla chips, naan, celery, crackers, whatever your favorite vessel is to get this delicious buffalo chicken dip to your mouth. Make sure to sign up for my free newsletter to get yummy recipes delivered to your inbox, and subscribe and like for more yummy content. Cheers!